नमस्कार. गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. मैं डॉक्टर आर.सी. दमानी, सीनियर कंसल्टेंट इंटरनल मेडिसिन, जाइडस हॉस्पिटल अहमदाबाद, एमपी फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज परिवार का अभिवादन करता हूं, हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं. I feel privileged to have a dialogue with you all on this weekend evening through this platform today. Today, we are going to talk about healthy mind, healthy body, and reference to the current crisis we are facing, COVID-19. The million-dollar question that comes is, what is health? What is health? The World Health Organization defines health as a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. I repeat, ladies and gentlemen, a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely absence of disease or infirmity. हम सभी एक महामारी का सामना कर रहे हैं. We all are facing crucial times, the global COVID-19 pandemic. The first case of COVID-19 was detected, isolated, diagnosed in December 2019 from Wuhan City, China. COVID-19 disease is caused by a virus family, coronavirus. The name coronavirus, corona comes from a Latin word which means crown. Under the electron microscope, the structure of this virus shows projections which resemble crown, hence it is called corona. The first coronavirus was isolated in 1960, and then further there were about 7 coronaviruses isolated. The present pandemic which we are facing, COVID-19, the name of the disease is CORVS2, but the simplified name and the public name of the disease is COVID-19. As I said, the first case was diagnosed in December 19 from Wuhan City, China. Now, the disease has an incubation period. What I mean by incubation period is the person getting infected with the disease and the onset of first symptom of the disease is called incubation period. जब कोई व्यक्ति रोगग्रस्त होता है और उसको रोग के फर्स्ट लक्षण दिखाई देते हैं, उस पीरियड को इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड कहा जाता है. The normal incubation period for this disease is 1 to 14 days, but commonly what has been seen is around 4 to 5 days. The common symptoms which are observed in this disease, रोग के जो कॉमन लक्षण पाए जाते हैं वो फीवर, कॉमन कोल्ड, थ्रोट पेन, कफिंग, breathing difficulty. Not less commonly seen are, even occasionally there are, loss of taste and loss of smell. Many patients, they present without any fever, merely with symptoms of loss of taste and loss of smell. In severe cases, there can be presentation with breathing difficulty, breathlessness. About 80%, 85% of the cases, they are asymptomatic or mild, meaning to say they can be very well managed at home and they don't need hospitalization. About 10 to 15% of the cases, they are mildly symptomatic, mild to moderate, wherein either they can be managed at home or may require hospitalization. About 4 to 5% of the patients, they present with severe form of disease wherein they would require ICU hospitalization and they may need a ventilator therapy. The mode of transmission of the disease. This is a very important aspect. the mode of transmission of the disease, primarily two modalities have been described for the mode of transmission of the disease. One is through droplet. कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि जो कोई व्यक्ति रोगग्रस्त होता है, उसको जब छींक आती है या जब उसको खांसी आती है, तो उसके संपर्क में अगर एक नॉर्मल हेल्दी इंसान आता है, who is unprotected or is not wearing a mask, and if he comes in a vicinity of less than 2 meters, that person can catch the virus and would develop a disease. The second modality of transmission of the disease is through fomites. Now, what we mean by fomites is a person who is infected with the disease, when he touches a particular surface, maybe a handle or a door or a table, he can, or if he shakes hands with somebody, he can transmit the virus to that person, and then that person can develop the disease. So this is a modality of transmission of the disease. Now, the most important and the most significant and the fortunate part इस रोग में ट्रांसमिशन के लिए ये है कि it has been shown that this disease does not have a airborne transmission. कहने का अर्थ यह है कि ये रोग हवा के माध्यम से नहीं फैलता है. This is a very fortunate aspect with respect to COVID-19 disease. Coming to a diagnosis, we clinicians face a very common question कि भी कौन सा हम टेस्ट कराएं कि जिससे इस रोग का निदान हो सकता है. The test which is highly recommended for diagnosis of COVID-19 is a COVID-19 RT-PCR test. That is the most valuable diagnostic test available to diagnose COVID-19 disease. एक रैपिड एंटीजन टेस्ट भी किया जाता है, उससे भी रोग का निदान होता है, लेकिन बट द सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ दैट टेस्ट इज प्रीटी लेस एज कंपेयर टू RT-PCR. So the final diagnostic recommendation to diagnose the disease is COVID RT-PCR test. रोग का निदान हो गया. Then comes the treatment aspect. Medical research has done a tremendous work, and आज की तारीख में मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी के पास कोविड-19 की ट्रीटमेंट के लिए काफ़ी तरह की दवाइयाँ उपलब्ध है, जिसमें ओरल टैबलेट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं, इंजेक्टेबल फॉर्म्स भी अवेलेबल हैं, एंड द डिजीज इज fully and treatable and curable with the research done over a period of time with respect to COVID-19 disease. एक बात मैं यहाँ जो स्पष्ट आप लोगों से कहना चाहूँगा कि आज की तारीख में कोविड-19 रोग के प्रिवेंशन के लिए कोई भी वैक्सीन उपलब्ध नहीं है. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't get carried away with any false news. आज की तारीख में there is no vaccine available with respect to prevention of COVID-19 disease. Researches are underway, and very soon we may see a vaccine available in the market to prevent the disease of COVID-19. रोग के लक्षण आ गए, निदान हुआ, ट्रीटमेंट का भी चर्चा हमने की, but the most important and the most significant aspect with respect to the disease is the prevention of the disease. Preventing ourselves from contracting the disease becomes a very, very significant and important aspect in respect to this disease. The modalities with respect to prevention of the disease are adequately and thoroughly washing our hands. आई एम वेरी श्योर पिछले काफ़ी महीनों में आप सब ने कई बार सुना होगा, देखा होगा कि जाहिर किया जा रहा है कि प्लीज़ कंटिन्यूसली, एडिक्वेटली, थॉरली कीप ऑन वॉशिंग योर हैंड्स विथ सोप और 60 to 80% alcohol based sanitizer. So washing the hands adequately, thoroughly becomes a very important aspect to prevent the COVID-19 disease. The importance of washing the hands with soap is the virus has a layer of fatty layer, and when we wash the hands with our soap, it dissolves the fatty layer which makes the virus inactive. That is why that it is so significant to wash the hands adequately and thoroughly. वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में तो एक कहावत भी है कि प्लीज वॉश योर हैंड्स एडिक्वेटली एंड थॉरली टिल यू सिंग द बर्थडे सॉन्ग ट्वाइस. आपको अगर बर्थडे सॉन्ग पसंद नहीं है तो आप कोई और भी सॉन्ग गा सकते हैं. The second important aspect with respect to prevention of the disease is protecting our own self by wearing a good quality adequate mask. Wearing a mask becomes a very significant aspect to prevent the spread and contracting of COVID-19 disease. The third and the significant aspect with respect to prevention of the disease, जो आपने भी देखा होगा, कई बार सुना होगा, is a social distancing. The meaning and the definition of social distancing is कि भी कम से कम 6 फीट या 2 मीटर्स की दूरी बनाए रखें, जिससे कि आपको रोग कैच करने की संभावना काफी नहीवत हो जाती है. Social distancing again is a very important aspect with respect to prevention of the COVID-19 disease. One very significant aspect which I would like to discuss now is impact of COVID-19 disease and the present times. The pandemic has been of a large proportion and it has been very hugely impactful, and I don't think I would be wrong here to say that it has had its own impact on one and all. It has its own impact on one and all. The magnitude of the disease probably may even classify the century as a pre-COVID era, the COVID era, and the coming post-COVID era as well. आप सभी ने देखा है, हम सभी ने फेस किया है, लॉकडाउन जाहिर किया गया था. वी हैव ऑल फेस्ड लॉकडाउन. उसके अपने फायदे थे, उसके अपने नुकसान भी थे काफ़ी. द shorts, pajama, Bermuda era we have seen in the lockdown, the Bermuda culture, pajama culture. लॉकडाउन के अपने फायदे भी थे कि बिकॉज देयर वर नो हाउस होल्ड हेल्प, पीपल हैड टू वर्क इन होम. तो जिनको पहले बीमारियां थी, डायबिटीज़, ब्लड प्रेशर, ओवरवेट, उनके वजन काफ़ी कम हुए हैं. उनके इनफैक्ट मेडिसिनल डोजेज भी काफ़ी कम हो पाए हैं. सो दैट वाज अ गुड पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लॉकडाउन. But the other side of the coin is it had a negative aspect also. Working from home culture, खाना दिन भर बैठे रहना, उससे lot of people they develop diseases and weight gains. And अगर मैं कहूँ तो उनके कपड़ों के बटन वो अपने आप में सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बना रहे थे. So that was one side effect of the lockdown as well. इसके साथ में एक और चीज मैं जो कहना चाहूँगा, विच वी नाउ कॉमनली एज अ क्लिनिशियंस आर फेसिंग एंड सीइंग, वी सी पेशेंट्स हु कम टू अस वेयर दे हैव कोविड इन देयर माइंड, दे हैव कोविड इन देयर हार्ट, बट देयर इज नो कोविड इन देयर बॉडी. कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि नॉट ओनली द कोविड डिजीज बट द फियर of the COVID disease has had its significant impact on society by and large with respect to the mental health, stress and the psychological aspect. एक और चीज जो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, जो मैं यहाँ हाईलाइट करना चाहूँगा कि इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम्स आई हैव टू से दिस कि भी एवरीबडी इज अ डॉक्टर बट फॉर अ डॉक्टर. और उसमें खास करके एक जो है वो व्हाट्सएप डॉक्टर. आप में से कई लोगों ने या सभी ने देखा होगा व्हाट्सएप पे कई चीज़ें प्रचलित हो रही हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डिजीज़. कई अफवाहें भी फैलाई जा रही हैं, ये दवाई लेने से डिजीज़ नहीं होती है, ये दवाई लेने से डिजीज़ मिट जाती है, या ये फला डिजीज़ अवेलेबल हो गई है. I have a humble request to make to you, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't fall prey to this uninformed media reports. In case of any problem you face, please don't hesitate to contact your medical personnel and seek a medical professional help. This is very important aspect. Now when I talk about healthy mind, healthy body, हमारे उपनिषदों में भी कहा गया है, प्रसन्न आत्मा indriya mana swastha ittvidhayate. Meaning to say, happiness in mind, senses, soul will always keep one healthy. The traits to keep a healthy body are healthy diet, healthy exercise, maintaining an optimal weight, effectively breathing, and avoidance of adverse addictions like tobacco and smoking. This becomes a very important aspect with respect to keeping healthy mind, healthy body. I would like to say here, ladies and gentlemen, food is not our enemy. Food is not our enemy. In fact, it is our friend and it is required for our metabolism. But as they say, excess of anything is no good. Excess of anything is no good. It matters less what you eat. It matters less what you eat. What matters more is what eats you up. So ladies and gentlemen, please make sure and please take care what goes into your mind. Please take care of that. Basically, emotions can give rise to two sensations, pain and pleasure. We all want to derive pleasure and we all want to avoid pain. But as they say, there can be no rainbow without a little rain. बहुत साल पहले की बात है, वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड की बात है, एक छोटा सा कस्बा था। उस समय मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ भी इतनी डेवलप नहीं हुई थी। एक बड़ी छोटी सी प्यारी सी 12-13 साल की बच्ची थी गांव में, सबको प्यारी थी बहुत। अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी वॉज डायग्नोज एज ब्लड कैंसर। देयर वर नो मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल ड्यूरिंग दोज डेज। सारे कस्बे का वातावरण बहुत सैड था। They had arranged for a gathering in honor of this sweet little girl, but because सारा वातावरण इतना sad था, nobody was able to speak. This little brave girl stands amongst the crowd and she says, "Why are you all sad? I know I am suffering from cancer and I am not going to live more. So what? Pain is inevitable. Pain is inevitable. Sorrow is optional." बहुत बड़ी बात उस बच्ची ने कही, पेन इज इनएविटेबल, सॉरो इज ऑप्शनल। इट मैटर्स लेस व्हाट हैपन्स टू यू, व्हाट मैटर्स मोर इज हाउ यू रिएक्ट टू व्हाट हैपन्स टू यू। if you respond less to negativity, more peaceful, cheerful and positive your life is going to be. आप सभी ने सर एडमंड हिलेरी का नाम जरूर सुना होगा। उन्होंने तेनसिंग नॉर्वे के साथ में एवरेस्ट को सर किया था। बट ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट एक्सपीडिशन विच वॉज अनसक्सेसफुल, ही लॉस्ट हिज फ्रेंड एंड कलीग। बट बैक होम, फिर वॉट एवर द अचीवमेंट दे हैड मेड, देयर वॉज अ ह्यूज प्रोग्राम अरेंज टू फेलिसिटेट, and on the backstage they had made a replica of Himalaya. As Sir Edmund Hillary approached the stage to receive the memento, he turned back to the stage to Himalayas and he said, "You Himalayas, you have cheated me. You Himalayas, you have cheated me. I have lost my friend. But I promise you, I'll come and I'll conquer you. Because I know you are tough, but you cannot become any more tougher. I can become more tougher." So ladies and gentlemen, tough times don't last, tough people last. Tough times last, tough people last. Remember, happiness is a choice. You have the key for it. You have the pleasure to unlock the door of happiness. यहाँ पे मुझे एक पुरानी हिंदी फिल्म बावर्ची का एक बहुत फेमस डायलॉग याद आता है, which says, "It's so simple to be happy. It's so simple to be happy, yet it is so difficult to be simple." हम आज कंप्यूटर युग में जी रहे हैं एंड उसी के माध्यम से आज मैं आप सभी के साथ रूबरू हो रहा हूं। बट इफ यू ऑल नो, इफ अ कंप्यूटर गेट्स infected by a virus, it malfunctions. The same applies to human mind. If a human mind gets affected by the negative traits like fear, jealousy, or anger, it malfunctions and that adversely affects the health and the body. You cannot expect to sow these seeds of negative traits and reap a harvest of good health. संत कबीर ने कहा है, मन की हार हार है, मन की जीत जीत. Worry becomes a numero factor for a bad health. Worrying is like a rocking chair. It makes you do something, however, it leads you nowhere. किसी एक फिलोसोफर ने बहुत अच्छा एक वरी साइकिल डिजाइन किया हुआ है, which I like to share with you. Do you have a problem in life? If you have a problem in life, the answers are either yes or no. If there is no problem in life, why worry? If you have a problem in life, then what can you do something about it? The answer is either yes or no. If you can do something about it, then why worry? If you can't do anything about it, then again why worry? If at all you have to worry, please worry effectively. लैटिन में देर इज अ सेइंग विच सेज मेंस साना इन कॉर्पोरो सानो. संस्कृत में भी कहा गया है, शरीर मध्यम काल धर्म साधना, मीनिंग टू से अ साउंड माइंड इन साउंड बॉडी, a sound mind in sound body. To ensure good health, we have to eat rightly, we have to exercise regularly, we have to breathe properly, deeply, and we have to cultivate cheerfulness and positivity. आप सभी इन्वेस्टमेंट एस्पेक्ट से जुड़े हुए हैं और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, to reap the dividends of good health, please invest in yourself. Please invest in yourself. एक और जो सिग्निफिकेंट बात मैं यहाँ कहना चाहूँगा, during this corona times, apart from corona, it has been seen that people who had already pre-existing diseases like diabetes, heart disease, blood pressure, kidney disease, or who developed new disease, they have also shown a lot of complications, for a simple reason being people are afraid to go to a hospital, or they delay their timing to seek a medical advice, which leads to complications of the disease. My only humble request to all is, in case of any medical problem, please don't hesitate to contact your medical professional, either reaching the hospital or seeking a consultation via telecommunication modes or a audio video teleconsultation aspect. MP फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज आपको बहुत अच्छा फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. आपको सब पे इस पे विश्वास है, बिकॉज दे हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग टेक्निकल्स एंड दे हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकग्राउंड एंड स्टडी ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट. I would like to say the same thing applies to any game. If you play any game and you want to win, you have to follow the rules of the game and you have to be technically very strong. The same applies here in the present corona times. अगर हम अपने आप को शिस्तबद्ध रखेंगे, अब अपने हाथ नियमित रूप से धोते रहेंगे, मास्क का प्रॉपर यूज करेंगे, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करेंगे, so not only we will help ourselves to win over the disease, we will help the society and the country overall to overcome this global pandemic which we are facing. The real disease is when somebody's ease is disturbed. So my humble respect to you all, ladies and gentlemen, is please do take good care of your body, because that is the only place we have to live in. Please be carefree, careful, please, but not careless. With this, I would like to come to the end of my talk, and I thank MP Financial Services for having provided me this platform to have a dialogue with you all. Thank you very much. Namaskar. अब आप अपनी क्वेरीज पूछ सकते हैं. I already am seeing one very significant and interesting query. What are the precautions to be taken for a person who is going out for marketing? See, when I talk with respect to the present corona pandemic, it is very important whenever any person is moving out, they have to make sure that they use properly mask, either a three-ply mask or a N95 mask that is adequately worn so that it correctly covers the mouth, nose very adequately, tightly. It shouldn't be pretty tight, nor should it be pretty loose. That is one aspect. Second aspect, whenever they come in contact with anything or whenever they touch any surface, they have to ensure that they sanitize their hands properly and very thoroughly. जहाँ तक संभव हो सके, पॉसिबल हो सके, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के रूल को फॉलो किया जाए, जहाँ तक हो सके डिस्टेंस मेंटेन किया जाए, so that again will be a very significant precautions, particularly for those people who have to move out in the public with respect to marketing, wearing a mask, sanitizing the hands properly, and maintaining a social distancing as far as feasible would become a very significant precautions for particularly people who have to move out. Any other query? I would be glad to answer that. I have a one very again in very significant query. What are the precautions to be taken for old age people and kids? This is a very significant aspect when I discuss about coronavirus. Yes, old age people or people who have comorbid diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, or who are any particular drug of chemotherapy or immunosuppressants, they are certainly more vulnerable to catch this disease. So my humble request is that old age people, as far as possible, they should not move out of the house. At the same time, the universal law and precautions with respect to the disease, wearing an adequate mask, sanitizing the hands, and maintaining proper social distancing is applicable to any age group of disease. जहाँ तक हो सके बड़ी उम्र वालों को अगर संभव हो सके तो घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. સોરી, હા નહીં મટી ગયું મારે આમાં કેમ નથી આવતું. There is one more query which has come up. How many time coronavirus was stay in our body without any symptoms? As I was discussing in the beginning, the incubation period for coronavirus is 1 to 14 days. Now, majority of the cases they have been found to be asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic. Now the duration which has been observed here is usually it has been found that the 14 days quarantine period is being followed, and at the same time what has been established is by 21 days the infectivity period becomes negative. The patient does not stay infective to others. Now with respect to the coronavirus staying in the body, it has been shown the positivity can be seen till a period of about 1.5 months to 2 months. आप सबको शायद याद होगा, आपको ध्यान में आ जाएगा, the first case which was observed in our city Ahmedabad was tested 5 times positive, and then subsequently about 40-45 days she was discharged. इवन एक जो सिंगर थी नॉर्थ की, आप सबको पता होगा, उनका भी 3 या 4 बार पॉजिटिव आया था, उसके बाद उनको डिस्चार्ज किया था. सो द पॉजिटिविटी ऑफ द वायरस may be seen till about 1.5 months to 2 months, but that doesn't mean that they are infecting. Usually by the end of period of about 21 days, it has been seen and shown that the person renders himself as ineffective, not infective to any other person. Ah. There is one more query which has come up. What about people who who had corona positive? What about the people who already had corona positive? So I would discuss this in two parts. One is those who have corona positive, depending upon their symptoms and depending upon the blood profile reports and the associated medical diseases, the call may be taken by the medical professional to either treat them at home or they should be hospitalized. Either they can be self quarantine at home, self isolation, or they may need a hospitalization. Now the second aspect of the same question, those who had corona positive. नाउ व्हेन जो इसका मैं अर्थ समझ रहा हूँ प्रश्न का कि भी जिनको ऑलरेडी कोरोना हो चुका था, उन्होंने जो ट्रीटमेंट लेना था वो ले चुके हैं, और द क्वारंटाइन पीरियड व्हाट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी मेंटेन्ड, दे हैव ऑलरेडी फेस दैट क्वारंटाइन पीरियड एंड नाउ दे हैव बिकम एब्सोल्युटली एसिम्प्टोमेटिक. By and large, around 21 days, they can join their offices, they can join their duty, because as I said, they become they are non-infective to others, so they can pretty well join their office or their work profile. Presently, the current recommendation by the authorities are now they don't test for corona negativity. Once a person has been found to be positive, depending upon the disease, the treatment is being offered, and at the end of about 21 days, the patient can very well resume all his normal activities, can join his job as well. Any other question? More than welcome. So with that, I again thank you all for sparing time on this weekend evening Saturday. Thank you very much. Namaskar, MP Financial Services परिवार, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much. And